Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending us their LED solar torch light. Not really much to show you around the box. Just there's the company name and stuff. So let's open it up, and you can see there's the lights themselves. Now you do turn these tops off, and you got a little on-off button right here. So you flip it on. This one has a blue color, slightly different. Also, you gotta take this off. Very nice. Number 2, 3, 4 sticks, 4 ground anchors, and a little manual. That's it for the box. So these of course go together pretty easy. Just slide into there like so, and then slide these in like so, and bada bing. They're together, and they have this nice blue glow at night. That's pretty amazing, I think. I think we're gonna use these to make a path to our front steps. All right, so I've set up these 4 on this little second entrance that I have over here. So these are the blue 4-pack, and we'll see how these look at nighttime. All right, so here is these blue flame lights. There's a little up close of it at night. As you can see, we put 2 there and then 2 here. Got a wide view for our entrance to this driveway. That's about the brightness you can expect. You can kind of see the area it's showing, but I really love the look of them. Love the color of them. They look like a flame. Very cool. That'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.